Hello and welcome, I'm Nathan42 and this is my current area. So at the moment I've not had a video uploaded for a long time. That's mainly because, as you can see here, the current area that we have for making stuff and making videos and all that kind of thing is pretty busy. Now if we turn around, here's my new gaming setup. This is what I've spent a long time getting sorted out and stuff. And you know, it's definitely getting there. I will be looking at some videos to come up in the next couple of weeks, but in the meantime I need to sort this part out and also find some things to do. So there's a couple of projects that I worked on previously, one of them being this light thing here, and also the wall calendar project, which is actually on display downstairs. I hopefully will get those sorted out soon, and I'll probably do a follow-up video just to show you how they work and how you can make them work as well. So yeah, that's all for now really. I just thought I'd say hi because it's been a fair bit of time, and just show you that, you know, there's a lot going on at the moment. Yeah, and as you can see, I'm definitely working my way through it and getting to a point where I'll be able to call this a good workspace very soon. But for now, you have to bear with me. Give me some things that you want me to do, or going forwards or whatever. I'll probably have some more Linux stuff coming out soon anyway, and some more Nextcloud. I'll probably upgrade the server at some point. Yeah, but other than that, thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.